To query Uniswap v2 via API, start by understanding the basics of Uniswap and its API. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that allows users to swap tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. The Uniswap API provides a way to access data and interact with the protocol programmatically. First, you need to choose an API provider, such as the official Uniswap API or a third-party provider like the Graph or QuickNode. Each provider has its own documentation and API endpoints, so be sure to review the documentation before getting started. Next, you need to determine what data you want to query. Uniswap provides a wide range of data, including token prices, liquidity pool data, and transaction history. You can use the API to fetch data on a specific token, a liquidity pool, or even the entire Uniswap protocol. To make a query, you will need to construct an API request using the provider's API endpoint and your desired parameters. For example, to fetch the current price of a token, you might use a request like https api.thegraph.com/subgraphs/name/uniswap/uniswap-v2, specifying the token address and other relevant parameters. When making a query, be sure to follow best practices, such as handling errors and caching responses to avoid overwhelming the API with repeated requests. You should also be mindful of rate limits and usage guidelines set by the API provider. In terms of key concepts, it's essential to understand the difference between on-chain and off-chain data. On-chain data refers to data stored directly on the Ethereum blockchain, while off-chain data is stored externally and updated in real time. Uniswap's API provides access to both types of data, so be sure to understand which type of data you need and how to access it. To get started with querying Uniswap v2 via API, you can use a programming language like Python or JavaScript to make API requests and parse the responses. There are also libraries and frameworks available that provide a simpler interface to the Uniswap API, such as the Uniswap SDK. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively query Uniswap v2 via API and unlock a wide range of use cases. From building custom trading bots to creating data visualizations and analytics tools. Remember to always review the API documentation and follow usage guidelines to ensure you are using the API responsibly and efficiently.